Hello everyone, welcome to Engineer Rajiv Tavade channel. This is a positive product review about Philips air purifier. I have been using this air purifier for more than 7 months. This is how it looks. This is the control panel. This is the power button first at the left side. Then there is a night mode button, and then towards the right this is a button to control the fan speed, and this is a child lock button. So I'll switch on the air purifier. This is the button which I will press. This is auto mode, automatic mode. Now the fresh air is coming out from this side. There are two panels, one cavity, and this is another cavity on this side, from which the regular air, that is we can call it as the impure air, enters this air purifier from these two cavities, and then from the other side, from here, from this mesh like structure, the purified air comes out. Now I will control the fan speed. This is automatic. This is 1, 2, and the topmost speed, that is 3. So now there is some sound which is coming of the air exiting this device. The purified air is coming out. There is a sensor on this part of the device. This air purifier is to be used for indoor air purification, that is for a room, especially for if I want to talk about a residential place. So it should be used for a bedroom or for a living room. That is a hall. Some people call it as a hall, living room or a hall. So while using this device, I keep the windows closed. So while using the air condition, I use this device, as well as other time also I can use this device. But the thing what I want to tell is that I keep the windows as well as the door of the room closed. So if I keep the door or the window open, then this sensor which is here, it detects that there is too much of airflow inside the room, too much of impure airflow inside the room, and this ring, this colored ring, it shows in red color or some other color. When this ring is in blue color, it means the room air is purified enough, that is it is clean air. If there is some dust in the air or some other air pollutants, dusty pollutants, then the color of that ring is red, violet, some pink, and then there are some 2 to 3 different colors which come once the air purifier is switched on. And after some time, when the air is pure, then the ring is in blue color. There is a simple 2-pin plug provided for connecting it to the main supply. So there is no need of any 3-pin device or like that. Just like for an induction, it is required 3-pin plug. I had bought this air purifier for rupees 9,500 around 7 months ago. Now I have switched off the power supply, and I will open this part and I will show you the filters which are inside. So this is the first filter. I can open it this way. This is a simple net, this first filter which I am showing. This is a simple net which can be washed. This net itself collects so much of dust. I can wash this net and then I can clean it. That is what I do after around 20 to 30 days, or even after 35 to 40 days. Once in 35 to 40 days I clean it, and there is lot of dust which gets collected on this net which itself is a proof that there is so much of dust around, and so much of dust. What I can say? Yeah, so much of dust gets stuck in it, and so I get to breathe in fresh air. This is some special type of filter net, and this second layer filter, and then this is the third filter. This second and this third filter are a bit costly. They are both of them together, they cost rupees 4,000, and I have been told that I will have to change it, say suppose after 1.5 year. Up to that time, these two filters will work, this one and this one, but still it's worth using, because so much of filtering work is done, because most important thing for me is breathing fresh air, and these three filters are doing the work of filtering the air. So this filter right now, the layer 1 filter which I'm holding in my hand, this is a permanent filter. I mean, this is not to be this can be reused after washing and drying. But what I was saying about the second and the third filter, this is that second and the third filter. So these two will be the ones which I will have to replace after several months, or maybe after 1.5 year, or maybe I don't know up to how much duration they are going to work. So I will fit all the filters inside, and then this is the cover. So I hope you have liked this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. There are several other videos, around more than 200 videos are there on my channel on various topics, stock market knowledge, then regarding food cooking videos, and several other topics are there. Wishing everyone a very happy Deepavali. Thanks for watching this video.